Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, let's make a dish that will definitely be a hit at your next party. It's a favorite at my home and soon will be yours too. So today, we will be making a dish using paneer, Hariyali Paneer Masala. Let's begin by taking about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 200 grams of whole paneer and fry this, flipping at intervals until both the sides turn beautiful golden brown color. Remove it. Cut it into equal-sized cubes. Take a bowl with some lukewarm water and add a pinch of turmeric powder. Soak the paneer in this for 10 to 15 minutes so that it remains soft, and keep this aside. Now in the same vessel, add 3 large onions roughly chopped. Along with this, let's add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies and mix well. Also, let's add 8 to 10 cashews and saute the whole mixture till it turns golden. Keep stirring it. Once everything comes together and it's well done, switch off and let this cool down. Now to a mixer jar, add a handful of coriander leaves, palak or spinach, and mint leaves. To this, we'll add cooked onion garlic mixture and blend it into a fine paste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if necessary. See how smooth and creamy the mixture has become. Now let's get back to the pan. We shall add 2 dry red chilies, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamoms, half-inch cinnamon stick and a teaspoon of cumin. Saute for a few seconds. Now let's add the green paste to the pan and mix well. Keep stirring this for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Then we shall add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Mix all this well and saute until the raw smell disappears and oil starts separating from the masala. Now I'm lowering the flame and adding 200 grams of beaten yogurt to the mixture. Mix slowly and saute this again until the yogurt is cooked well. Let's add 2 cups of hot water to this. Mix, cover and cook for the next 8 to 10 minutes. Now add the paneer cubes and mix well. Also add salt according to taste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Here I have also added a quarter teaspoon of sugar. This is totally optional, but I like how it balances the flavor. Take a handful of kasuri methi, crush and add to the gravy. Cover and cook for another 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and everything has come together beautifully. Now you can switch off the stove. Serve into a dish and garnish with fresh cream, some kasuri methi, coriander leaves, and you can also add the tadka of oil with red chili powder. Our Hariyali Paneer Masala is ready. Trust me, this is a dish everyone will love. Do try it. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such amazing recipes. Bye for now.